Garlic and mushroom noodles is what I'm going to be showing you today, and I am super excited that you clicked on this video because I'm going to be showing you a very easy and delicious way to have your noodles. So let's get cooking. So first off, in a large skillet, I'm going to add some cooking oil, about 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, just a little. Then you're going to let your oil heat up a little bit, just that we can caramelize the mushrooms. So we want our oil to be a little bit hot. So also I'm going to be boiling my noodles in here. I'm going to be adding my button mushrooms in my skillet. And you're going to fry these on medium heat. So you're going to cook them for around 3 to 4 minutes. Just keep on stirring. What the mushrooms are doing, they're releasing their own water. So just keep on stirring. As our mushroom cook, I'm going to be boiling some water for the noodles. So watch over your mushrooms so that they don't burn. So far so good, they look absolutely amazing. It's been around 3 minutes. So to my mushroom, I'm going to add garlic. I've crushed 2 cloves of garlic and 2 stems of spring onion. I'm going to stir. Add a little bit more oil. Then at this point, I'm also going to add my carrots. So my water has boiled. I'm going to add my noodles in. You're going to let your noodles cook as per the packaging instructions. So to this, I'm going to add dark soy sauce. Just a dash. It's been around 2 minutes of my noodles boiling, so I'm going to drain the water and save some to add in the pan. So I've drained my noodles. I'm going to add them in my pan. Then using a fork and my wooden spatula, I'm going to mix up my noodles and my mushrooms, garlic, so it's going to be tasting so good. So you mix up. combine everything. So because I had cooked for around 2 minutes to cook it through in my pan. Yummy. So if you're feeling lazy and to have noodles and some vegetables in your pantry or your kitchen, you can cook these noodles. They're super delicious. I'm going to add my spring onions, just a little bit, the green part of the spring onions. And my noodles are ready. And I'm ready to serve. Oh my God, they're looking so good. Yummy. And here I have my garlic and mushroom noodles. And also there's some in my pan, so this can serve around 2 or 3, depends on what level you're feeling hungry. To some this is just for one person, but for me I would say this is for 2 people in my family. If you add the right seasoning to your noodles, forever and ever your noodles will be as good as mine. So always check on your seasoning. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next episode. Ciao.